For Walt Disney, trains were a lifelong love. So much so, he even built an authentic model train at his home in Los Angeles.
3 months were spent excavating my backyard to fit the plan of the layout. By careful planning on blueprints, we were able to lay about 2,600 feet of track. Of course, the hardest part of the job was convincing my wife that the flower beds had to go. But with the winning of the right-of-way, the job continued.
When Walt created Disneyland, it was only natural that trains would play an important role. From the historic steam trains, to the sleek viewliner, to the futuristic monorail, Walt Disney brought the joy of the rails to millions.